What's up, guys? Got a 2009 Accord. We got vibration in the cabin. Every time you put the AC on or the car comes down at the red light, you feel vibration. Brrr. It's the engine vibration. So if you have an issue like this, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to check and what you're going to look at. So first thing you want to see, you see that mount right there? That's the engine mount right there. Let me get a better look of it with the lighting here. So this the engine mount is cracked right there, even though the boot is cracked on the top, but I'm sure this mount in the bottom is cracked. So once I remove it and replace it, you will see. But check this out. Look at this back engine mount. Look at that. That thing is torn apart. So that's the main issue right there. So you got bolt on each side, you got bolt on the top and bolt right through the center. You're gonna remove this. I'm gonna have video on all this so you guys can check that out. But once I take out the engine mount, you're gonna see this mount and that mount. And I would recommend you change this third mount together, all three, but those are the two main ones that's going to take a lot of beating. Anyway, guys, wait till I get these out, but check out the videos on this 2009 Accord. 2008 to 12 is the same procedure. Okay, so I pulled out both of the engine mounts, and check this out. Look at this guy right here. Pretty shot. And that's going to call vibration, okay? And this one sits back there just like this. It sits in the back of the car, back of the engine, just like that. And engine moves on it back and forth. It causes a lot of vibration. So I started the car up. I don't have a lot of vibration anymore. Also, when you're driving, you're hitting bumps, the engine is bouncing up and down, up and down. Okay, that was what was going on because of this engine mount. As you can see, the mount itself tore apart and it was banging on the metal here. So it's metal to metal. And check out the inside here. Okay. And it's pretty much done in there. It's all gone. And that's it. If you got vibration, engine vibration, at idle with the AC on, it's most likely going to be your mounts. Anyway, thank you for watching.